tell you that it's my job right now to tell you I'm giving you 45 minutes to an hour to hang out, do what you need to do. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to tell you that I'm gonna call the cops.
All right, public. Does this look like a public property over here at the library and Civic Center? Or is this a private property, not paid by tax dollars?
I'm giving you an hour, sir. It's not like a.
You can give me 2 minutes. I don't care. I used to work for the company that just got let go from here because what do you know? They can't do anything about it.
I'm telling you, sir. I'm not trying to be rude.
Can I get your name, please?
My name's Officer Nelson.
Officer? You're referring to yourself as an officer.
Security officer, yes, sir.
Okay, that is against the law. Did you know that?
No, it's actually not.
It's actually against your policy as well. Trust me, I worked security the last 7 years. You cannot refer to yourself as an officer unless you have your post training. Do you have your post training?
Sir, I don't know what you're referring to. I've always referred to myself as that way. That's why I refer to as the police. And I'm just trying to tell you what I've been told to tell you. And that's my fault that it's offending you and you feel that I'm violating your rights. I would just like to have you.
And you work for Allied Universal, right?
Yes, sir.
One of the worst that gets on YouTube all the time.
You know, man, and that's something, that it's just, it's unfortunate. I'm just doing what the client's asking me to. And
yeah, you can, but the cops are going to do the same thing. I'm sitting here. I have no alcohol, only tobacco, no marijuana. I am not breaking any other laws. They're going to try and get me for loitering, but they can't do that on its own. I am actually here. Here he is trying to tell somebody else that he can't sit on a public park bench. What do you think the bench is for, public?
Yes, sir. It's for people who are out in public enjoying the shopping center, using the facilities. It is not to hang out and just loiter around.
Loitering is without a purpose. If your purpose is to use a park bench, I'm pretty sure that counts as not loitering.
Okay, sir. You're not using a park bench.
I am using the public facility Wi-Fi.
Okay, that's totally fair. You should go inside and do so when you're done.
I don't need to be inside to use it. I can be out here smoking a cigarette at the same time.
Okay, no problem, sir. I will let you do what you need to do. I told you I'll be back in an hour.
Yeah, and the cops would love to see this video when we go to court, so.
I'm sure there will be a court.
Oh, there will, is if you're going to call the cops and get me go to jail or whatever.
I'm not trying to do that. It's not
I literally just got out of jail for petty trespassing, which is the worst they can charge us with here if it was not a public property. But considering this is a public property.
If I were to move around the corner, it wouldn't be loitering. It wouldn't be anything. It's just if I come back in an hour and you're in the exact same position, it is my job and my responsibility to do what I'm assigned to do.
Yeah, you go ahead. But I mean, if there was a sign here, no black people here, would you enforce that?
No, sir.
Okay, well, that's pretty much the same damn thing that they're doing.
Not at all, sir. I appreciate your conversation. I appreciate your respect. I hope you have a fantastic day.
All right, see you in an hour. What time is it? All right, so it is, once I find out how to find out what time it is. Okay, I can't find out what time it is while it's recording, so I'm assuming it's around 1:30. Last time I recorded here is 1 o'clock, so. Dumb security. So right after the security guard asked me to leave, which he's probably talking to right there. There he is. Didn't even get all the way around the corner before the cops showed up. Go ahead, try to get me for something. I didn't do anything wrong. Already intimidated this guy from leaving. Not going to intimidate me. I'm not scared of the law. I know what the law is. You cannot trespass me from public property, which a library is. And so is a government facility. Looks like they're gonna come back around. Is the security guard? No, the security guard left. Poof, in a flash. Here they come back around. Where's my cigarettes? Over here. Gonna come grab my cigarettes.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good, how are you?
Good. So he flagged me down, said that obviously he asked you to move from the building in like 45 minutes or an hour or whatever. Obviously you can record, I don't care.
Uh-huh.
Was that the case?
You did ask me to move.
So it's just so you know, this isn't public property. All the way from Floyd to Hamden, basically the light rail over to Galapego. That's not public property. It's private property owned by EEF. I'm not asking you to leave.
Owned by EEF.
Yeah. I'm not asking you to leave. You okay, man? You're really shaky.
It's genetic.
Okay. You looking for a lighter?
Yep.
Okay. You can put that down for a second, man. I get it. It's a cigarette. I don't know why you think you need to record everything. But I'm just educating you, is all. So he works for that company. This is private property. And if he's asking you...
Would you agree that this is the Englewood Public Library?
Yeah. So inside, if you're doing something that's unlawful, then we can give you an exclusion form that it has everything to explain on it. All I'm trying to do is tell you, he said you're not causing a problem or anything. He just asked if they're basically what he could do. So I told him I'd come talk to you. Cool?
Okay, so you want to talk, right?
I just talked to you. I just explained everything.
Well,
that I need.
that's not talking. If you're...
All right, man. Have a good day.
All right. You can see they're trying to keep people from public buildings, trying to use public facilities for any reason.
I would love to talk to you and answer any questions. Do you have any questions for me?
Okay. Is it illegal to use public facilities?
No.
Okay, so if I'm here using public facilities, what law am I breaking?
Is that if all you're doing is sitting here and he...
You said you'd be answering questions.
He finds any reason...
Didn't want to answer
that
questions.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, you said this is a public library.
No.
And it's
This
not
is
a crime.
public library inside.
Right. There's no crime in using public facilities, right?
Right.
So if I'm here using the public facilities such as Wi-Fi, what crime am I breaking?
You're not. That's exactly what I just told you.
Okay.
What I'm telling you is that it's private property. It's not public property like you think. It's a place that the public can be expected to be, but it's private property. Okay? That's all I was trying to explain to you. All right? So if you're doing something that maybe you shouldn't be doing, I'm not saying sitting here and smoking a cigarette and using Wi-Fi. I'm not saying that's it. All I'm trying to do is educate you. That's it. So if you're urinating in public or something like that, and he wants you away from here, then you have to get away.
Yeah, urinating in public is a crime.
I just told you you're not committing a crime.
Right.
You're not going to bait me into anything, man. I'm over here just to talk to you.
Well, to arrest me, I have to commit a crime.
Arrest you? Who talked about arresting you?
Well, you're threatening me with any kind.
You are certainly nervous. That phone's going to drop out of your hand if you're so nervous. Good luck to you, man.
Yeah, you're more nervous. You're walking away from conversation.
Oh, man, I don't have anything else to say.
There we go. All right, there he is. It's obvious they just want to enforce their feelings and other people's feelings. There is no crimes, as they have said on camera just now, being committed. So therefore, they have no arrestable offense. Even though they say this is not public property, we pay for this building, all right? I don't care what they say. We pay their salary. We pay for that car. We pay for their employment, which is basically just paying for them to steal from us, and arrest us for bullshit crimes. I'm here at a public facility. I don't care if it's outside of the public facility. It is still a public facility. What do you think these are? Public benches or privately owned benches? What do you think these flags are? Privately owned? Well, they could probably be privately owned, but still. What does that say? City Center, Englewood. If you're telling me I can't be at the city center, you got a serious problem with public property. All right, so I'm gonna stay here. If they arrest me, I'm gonna have to fight it. I'm tired of them telling me where I can and cannot be. They do not have that right. We have the right of freedom in America. They can fuck off. So I will be here until they decide to arrest me for being on something that they consider not public property. pretty sure it's public property, considering the public can be here. They use it for public events like city fairs and shit. It's ridiculous. But yeah, they could go ahead and arrest me if they want to arrest me here. I'll spend 9 more months in jail. I don't care. I'm not breaking any laws.